We're glad to introduce you a new bicycle Trek Marlin 6 2019 model year. The bike is equipped with Alpha Silver aluminum frame, and reliable fork. An 8-speed high-quality transmission makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes set up on the bike such as hydraulic disc. Trek Marlin 6 2019 year is a good option for skiing on both country roads and city streets. This model is equipped with 29 inches wheels, having good tires. Bontrager XR2. This is a good option in the ratio of price quality, drive and pleasure.